Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete project here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a project in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home page. That's going to be found on the upper left corner. That would lead you to the designs that you are currently working in. You see that? Right now, I'm doing this, how to delete a project. You see, there's going to be a three dots icon here, wherein when you click that, you would be able to click on the move to trash. All right. If you do that, what will happen? It's gonna be remove in the recent design section. If you can't find the design that you wanted to delete, you might want to search your content here in Canva, right here. All right. So now after that, if you wanted to recover the recently deleted project, all I gotta do is go to trash. You see that? This is going to be the way for you to recover the deleted project. All you have to do is click on the three dots icon. You can restore or you can permanently delete the design from the trash. All right? If you want to permanently delete that or empty trash. Right? Now, this process removes the project from your main dashboard and folders. But for now, I'm going to click on Restore. I'm over again to the main dashboard, and this is going to be my recently deleted file or project here in Canva. Now, if in case you encounter any problems deleting a certain project here in Canva, all you have to do is contact the Canva support. So you have all of these options and channels where you can contact them. You might want to get help from one of the chatbot, which is going to be a lot faster because at the moment, as you can see, response times is a bit slower. All right. Type your question to see if you get an answer. But if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems deleting your project here in Canva. All right. And then they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Now, if you want to have a backup of this project before you delete it, I suggest you click on the download options. You can download PNG, PDF, JPEG, or you can even store it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and a lot more. Because deleting projects that are no longer useful helps you stay organized and focused on current and important designs. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.